right, we are gonna let our Rhodes cinnamon rolls rise in our grease 13 by 9. All right, so our cinnamon rolls have fully risen. We're gonna remove our plastic wrap. All right, and we are just gonna press these down oh so lightly, just like so. Try not to get all that delicious cinnamon on your fingers. Don't worry, I washed my hands nice with soap, so I have clean hands. Perfect. All right, now I'm gonna bring in my chopped pecans. This is 1 cup, and we're gonna use this whole bag, and we're just gonna sprinkle it right on top of our delicious cinnamon rolls. I love the Rhodes cinnamon rolls because they're just so much tastier than the Pillsbury, but they do take a little bit of extra love because you have to let them rise. Okay, I think that looks absolutely delicious. Okay. Now I'm gonna come in with my heavy whipping cream, and this is just gonna help make those cinnamon rolls extra fluffy. And we're just gonna do a nice little drizzle right on top. We are gonna use about ½ a cup of heavy cream. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look incredible?
I have no clue what you're making, but I love it.
I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna grab my 2 sticks of melted butter, and inside our measuring cup, I'm gonna add some brown sugar, and I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this, but we want a generous amount, at least ½ a cup to 1 cup in there. That looks perfect. Now inside of that, I'm gonna add some more cinnamon, because what are cinnamon rolls without cinnamon, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. The last thing we're gonna add to our butter mixture is a little bit of vanilla. This is totally optional, but I just like a nice vanilla flavor with my cinnamon rolls. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon, which is just 1 capful. Yummy. Okay, we're gonna grab our whisk, and we're gonna whisk this together until we get like kind of a thicker kind of consistency that we can drizzle right on top of those yummy cinnamon rolls. This is gonna make the best cinnamon rolls you've ever had. I'm sure you've tried this recipe before on the Pillsbury rolls, but with these Rhodes, it's just gonna be 10 times better. Okay, so just really get it nice and mixed up. We don't want that butter to be separated from the brown sugar. Okay, this is the consistency we're kind of looking for. It almost looks like an apple butter, but it's a brown sugar butter. Now let's go ahead and bring back our cinnamon rolls. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this, you guys. Okay, and now we are gonna drizzle our butter mixture right on top, just like so.
It looks so like delicious.
Oh my gosh,
Buttery.
it's gonna make them so good, you guys. All the best flavors, perfect for fall time. All right, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and these are gonna bake for about 30 minutes. Oh my, these look incredible, you guys. Okay, so we left them in for closer to 45 minutes, but they look absolutely delicious. Before we dig in, I am gonna bring in the icing that comes with the cinnamon rolls. Let's cut it open so that we can drizzle our icing on our cinnamon rolls. Oh, it's best to do it when it's hot so that it can melt and just be ooey and gooey and delicious.
It smells phenomenal.
Oh my gosh, yes, this is gonna be so good. Okay, I am ready to dig in. Oh my gosh, they're so fluffy, you guys. The fluffiest cinnamon rolls in the world.
Wow.
Sticky bun heaven. Okay, it's time to give it a try.
It's because you let it rise, you know?
Yeah, just look how fluffy that is. Perfectly cooked. Oh my goodness. Oh. Mmm.
Is it good?
This is the best cinnamon roll recipe in the world.